Hey guys, so I am sitting outside with the lovely, beautiful Connor Gabriel. And yes, boys can be lovely and beautiful. So anyways, guys, I did find out he does not have a magnet. I don't want to do surgery on him just yet. I haven't even gotten to change him or undress him. So this details video is going to be the first time I look him over. We have been running around fixing the door and they gave us the wrong door. So anyways, we've just been really busy. And so I haven't gotten to enjoy him yet. I did, however, take one of his pacifiers. I can't see through the viewfinder here exactly where I'm pointing. And put putty on it. So let me show y'all. It'll probably fall off because I didn't press it in good. But his mouth, he has gums and a tongue, and we'll go over that when we're doing the details video. Anyways, one mention about the giveaway. It was brought to my attention that 2 people picked the name Gabriel. So I just wanted to let y'all know I went with the earlier name, and the people that, I contacted and followed the giveaway rules. So I was aware of that. But thank you for looking out. So anyways, let's get to the details. By the magic of technology, he will be undressed in the blink of an eye. And voila, there he is. So, a few things before we start that I just noticed. I thought actually he was a little bit bigger than Colette, because it just seemed that way, but I noticed his stuffing, he has a lot more stuffing in him, so he's a lot more firm. And if I see how his arms kind of go out on their own, they almost look like they're about to pop off here. That's because there's so much stuffing in here, so that's an easy fix. All I have to do is pop off his head. And I know that sounds brutal, but that's what I got to do. Cut the zip tie, pop off the head, and take some stuffing out of here. So that's a simple fix. And I'll do that when I take off the head to try to put a magnet, which I probably won't be able to, because if she wasn't able to, I won't be able to. So anyways, guys, Daddy just came out, and so we are going to start on this details video. And we are going to go opposite of the box opening. We're going to go head to toe. So I love his little mouth. See that? He actually has gums and a little bit of a tongue. And see, this is why I probably will not do the magnet. You see that? Look at those gums. It's so cute, this kit. It is the same as the other kit. And just slight differences in a totally different head. From the Brooklyn and the Jade kit. That's what the 2 twins are. So let's start with his hair. And I've seen a lot of painted hair. And I really like her technique. Painted hair, just along with rooting, is not an easy thing to do. But that is his face. Let's check out his little ears. You see his mottling? That's why I'm outside. So y'all can see everything. I've got a gnat going around my face. His veining. Okay, so let's look at his chubby arms here. That mottling is, I love it. I love heavy mottling on a baby.
Mottling?
Mottling.
Okay.
It's the little red patches. Anyways, let's look at this other arm. The hands. Very, very cute. And there are his chubby, chubby legs. And his little feet. Like when I'm inside and you're inside with a baby or you're reborn, it's just you don't get to see the details quite as well. But man, with natural lighting, look how real those look. Without showing the cloth body. Looks like a real bottom part of a baby. A baby. I'm not a baby. And his little fists. Let me cover the little... Look at that. He is so sweet. I love him. So anyways, guys, that is Mr. Connor Gabriel at his finest here. And I'm going to get him changed and dressed and just have a little fun with him. Hope y'all enjoyed. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.